That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
Injina from Kolokata, Medusa, and BoyeMonday TV Ŋdi Wɔna for one. But Tony must go in answer for the Apatana Kata, and Chiami, Abba TV, from Shia, Yavana Korea, Wɔna, Ibeyaji, Shantina Pokanda was like a Tony McBoy, in Yaklo, German, Ibamadakbana, Useless every dictionary, Viva J, Full Clinic. Nyakwa for second of hand honorable Richmond and photo shoot back race tissues. You go do action up. Yakble, yeah, and the problem, Prisla. The grand cause of woman.
Oh, well, that's the problem.
That's the problem.
Okay. Oh, maybe. A teacher no jajache. Oh, a chiku paru. No, come at our dollar church. By Melanie Jatimeta. Then, oh, see, Nami Bemi, Brazil machine on Kozachi, and me watching this year. Oh, I can also for Gulama.
All right, then I'm going to go with my ballet muni na. Bituna say me alo piu playing at the cover of the also your person on the good black belly. We na mapona kani na kitu kaje kwa tumia kwa mkantoma ro alo ko le kamia mchani kami kasona kwa na tawe nya do yuka le nya do bana na kata kwa tawe dia na matutu gba to ha da no bema ke nya jago mple nya motivational message alo se do nya breaker me so do an se nya ro piu afi kadare e wona ubo ke abale ke mione da ma khala gele English bame ala wona ma English bame nya ja gba kwa de le nyon to nya ko ba ke nya azoro kwa ko ma da 0242670773 your number can attempt at all akogere ka ba 0242670773 enya kapoje shikra tacho akogere ka ba kli ehia ba nya no kam ehia ba nya no ajero dai wona chego ko wo ajero wo chocho gbeto kata no gere nya bo ala nya awo chido ngama su ka ameke nya ko na Facebook ha like share comment and we doing nene mai amo kokwe mo na mye na ma da wo na ma Facebook ko utrona muraba fika to meno na kweko na pataje na pataje na bona na oji na uji mo ka ko whatever lo ni ma na like share comment ga ko show up na don't you no abudo bona ameuka so ba da bayo ko kutoka ko na tro ko nya kama nya to yes na manyo ni ma mi kala YouTube ha ba ba ti mi ya le YouTube na ma ko na le TikTok ya mi la kuma buto na ko dara ma TikTok nya to so be owo mo ga ti mo to be mo ga radio se mo TikTok akwe
ya ko bando
TikTok akwe ta mi la kuma to gba ji ya mi ro ta jo pele ngbe TikTok mi ga ucha allo ya jo mo ti bi pam la se gudu no ma ko ma ame shara fam. All right, so we go to our motivational message. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Robert Kiyosaki. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Robert Kiyosaki. A gachi nyala gare ga ho nko wo japo yo balika ho ngono. Ike ma khane ko direct nyawu ika tro me rich dad poor dad. Ya ba mama ko. Ya ja mama. Ji na PDF balama na assignment. PDF bala ji le Google Robert Kiyosaki. Spelling alema. Alo na mama. Robert
rich dad, poor dad.
Abe le sukwa yo ha chiwo kwa galo fufushi. Ye fufu ka kama le shu yo gboko no do. Ye no ki ya ba tina fi kala maroshi kabala maroshi wa. Egbe la le. Ye ko no ya mi no investigation ya ni masako. Ye le ju ka ka ba kere mi kana gato nya gato. Ni kana ko ya nya ko ya. They were like Barama, who was a free man. Yeah, that I mean, I go global need the Sugacho. We get a Sugacho. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Actually, Kelly Bonanodi, you won't never buy in another association. Now, I come over. Let me have the poor woman. Yapwe. Abagugo ole lodo man ye ya konyo the Bibla, we know that our futures are prophecy fabricated. So never get back to Chokata, no
prophecy.
Okay, Tabifia, let's operationalize this. Let me have a door. That was sort of go. You have a Kachachiao. Ahia gbanono agbesa gbe kan le nya jojo do ble tuto nya so le ke nya no fo to ajo ni ga ke ma ya na mu awo do re chochi e mo afun ha ya ru na no ata no te fra ka ba awo rich I
will reach is over do as well. Then
oh, as a matter of fact, I bet your future is created by what you do today. What you do today. That Robert Kiyosaki is on point.
Umatafulanyigba aglobe bi atu ho alebi anye landlord. Afulanyigba ko enu afeme bo anyigba la sinyeta. E ko ma zovaju. Vide nele tu negbe nenye block the cow dareji. Nele yi vide ko atu ho. Tande sade he wa igbe ele nku faro ve chome tane no ene dasi atame yemi atole zufu me expect be ne nchoncho epo le je me ko che choku vala tore je mayo
ya ne go be asa o nku faro chome
afa ni ko
do na onya gbori bo na so so ya ko ta ke jamu karo
e prophecy me ko ba do haro.
Okay, so your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. But your cycle that's our code for the day, and that's how we start our show. So please learn to speak good and do good. So you do, and you say, then you do, and you say, and you do. And we want that in our workplace and our relationships and on and on and on and on. That is our motivational message for today. Courtesy Robert Kiyosaki. That would be a
Okay.
All right. That was when you are to yeah. Ŋdi Wɔna mefia na no to dima gado tibia bo. Na le mi afri do ka no tibia bo. No na bo na bo ni no ko ga na na ko da shi jo no ko ni anti da bo. Abre mi trova ni asore bo. Wona ro kuja ko mi. Magbara.
No silence ever English dictionary. dictionary aka so afi the pasike Lucilis ever English dictionary standard ton yeah standard yeah and you know the view and you know the view canola basic level and you know Americanola SHS and you know Americanola university allo the language you nanya make manya be view e be a strong be kra Lucilis ever English dictionary and you know I'm a Sammy Canania for the Mutura Po, and be a strong work by her, Lucilis ever English dictionary, and you know, Mama. Nella Dilla was so mad than a player. At place order Amazon, a low number can I call the screen idea, open the method can also have a Fisia Ficanella, Yako Lucilis ever English dictionary, Aqua Coveno, Lucilis ever English dictionary, and you Tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506. Looking to...
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentu penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sportswears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie na junction na de Frajet Hotel but tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go do it.
Oh, very ma. If I don't pay them low, get to put. Tanya too much ready toy. When it warms, but a killer.
Oh,
the mother for fun. The mother too much to move. Come on, not to go.
that another Abraham Baraka in LA. I party to Pony for Boye. But the husband did not fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kuroma. Well, a Passy Coco for Yakokatara.
Well, when not to go,
Vai, Batacano Sugo, Itabica that the Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busiel, wait off here.
Ira vola tobo. Yemon no Chicago, Mokpong Jaja.
Vola Chica no plan. No Zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa toto wala toto fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fofo jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
mauna yura vola to onaula masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli dagba wa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa Odashina Ndogawi of Pokana Vola le 0244 512 1452.
Vola. Nina nemiayi, vola basenta. Afima mia pota yola, nyadeba vola. Valão, a Crowley la food now, Alala la food now, Domarula food now, a chita paraca, Uputomacata, Malato one you do. A Timaclonova, Naila Vola Heba Center, you can let them go upload Victoria Paca, a few Apodora, what to a camel, what Puto, what Fukame, a Fukama to Dokata, Vola Heba Center. Dr. Prosper Debeneva. Come on. Vola.
Après le foro kata kau mabati effettivement trova kama subania jeremia ya kitu bano ma kitu na moto au BoyeMonday.com license by the National
BoyeMonday.com. Ghana claws back from debt abyss. Economic recovery effort shows progress as government and local leaders drive community empowerment across the country. Dr. Robert Doe commissions borehole and empowers artisans in Hoheve. Mechanized borehole commissioned and tradesmen equipped as empowerment initiative launches on 22nd August 2026. Sefaji Agama seeks retention as communication officer. So other news. I will pursue legal remedies Afenyo on defamation. Muntaka to face questions on internal security election killings. GES stops documents demands for salary adjustments. Muntumin's MPP chairmanship bid moves forward from prison. And that's all we have for holding. Let me have to me who have Dr. Robert Doe ever commission borehole the Edonu semiave asinu do wala Sefa Diagama biabe no vote na ene as communication officer ne whole central. Afenyu Markins be yako ese de amedel kewehe efunu gbegbele to eyinu alo ogbele ifenko. I will pursue legal remedies. Avenue on defamation.
We must have that as a backdrop. All right, Ghana falls back from debt abyss. Ghana falls back from debt abyss. We have Finance Minister, Dr. Asiel Atotros. If you cannot do what where back why that? So that's basically that. Ghana has dramatically altered its posture fiscally as the share of national revenue devoted to debt servicing has plunged. Finance Minister Dr. Asiel Atotros has announced. The disclosure offers a rare glimmer of fiscal relief at a time when budgetary pressure remains acute. So that's the first story where the Finance Minister Dr. but if you are Ghana, where Ghana hold on. Sha, Miller from revenue, national revenue, and Ghana, because they have a corner. John Catava, children, for the Yapol for Joy, and Babu, go back to Ugakava of Yara, never survey 60%. If you have a national revenue, blue. Let the upper share yesterday, share the $50, share back, let you do what guy you can you got a hope. As I were in Casa Gatimic for the Pamako, who put a dollar or estimating for the near like a bombing man. That is Casa with like Mount Anoma. Da Guy can make a tamic power to coin. If you are Akbaton, Akbaton, Mamma, Tonko, Samina, Bonaparte, ever of Jerica, Miss Canopera, Tobacco, Parliament Power. We are using close to 60 to 80% of our national revenue on debt service. I read of that Cassia to force another blood, a Yaraka Jurapona, 60% if you have a done a woman in a salary. I hope you are getting one. So that is something that we have to really interrogate. Then I think this government is doing a good job. So that's the first conversation today. Cassia at 2% of Blomberg, Enka, Shagai, Kazavanilla, go never get to is just 20%. They are let to go 100, 20 go. Let go for Baraka, Lava Coco, or you for it. I mean, you do it from. Then one
it's a good sign.
Yeah. It's a good sign. Okay. Nyaiji, Nyakbo, about Safajaga. Okay, Safajaga was 6 retention as communication officer for whole central. So we have the Safajaga. That's the communication officer for the whole central NUC. No, that was communication officer and party.
Okay.
So we look at check. Yeah, no, so we wish him well. Other stories so that I will pursue legal remedies now. Opinion on defamation. Some people don't draft on news file. Because ever extortions. It's an extortion. And many over I think 10 million. I will borrow the gold box here. We are not clear on that because every day, any other law of that do. You know, you understand what I mean? Yeah. So, so that's a key thing. That's a key thing. And every year, post a meeting, they are quite a court. I do for you. Kaka, no, India, Nabi Domu, whatever the whole game of war. But, you know, back number. Or I don't get question. Junior, very much before the Boye or the Parliament. You went through some years. So, to go back to the Parliament, I will pursue legal remedies. It's no longer true because Nyajo Jolema, Fifia, O Media, Nabu Baba, everyone went to go like that in a diet, make a court in here. There's a put out. So I think that that has been returned. Okay, then move back to face questions on internal security election games. I'm not sure what that's about. Over Mundaka, Minister of Interior. Yeah, Minister of Interior. So I think there's a question about that. Let's much very briefly. Minister of Interior, and we'll do a last one. Muntaka to face questions on internal security election issues. Interior Minister Muntaka Mohammed Mubarak is set to outline measures to tackle internal security threats and update Ghanaians on investigations into killings recorded during the 2020 and 2024 elections. The Minister of the Interior, all right, so this will be done on the accountability series to account for measures being undertaken to safeguard Ghana against internal security threats. And the session, scheduled for 11 a.m., is expected to place internal security, public safety, and government response to security challenges at the center of the national attention. So, it's a new one.
No, no, connect.
But what are one? The book. Our Muntaka Mubarak is the Minister of Interior. You don't get a corner to chill out. Lamano, you go when you badabao. Whatever you know, over they are going to be. Don't forget Kabiriki. Egbe. Ubu Amaro, a Grammy and me by 2020. My mind and Naviasu, Copraja. Happy academic and striker blue, Mahama Beshi, Ubama, Upato, Yoma, Nefike, and Yamaru. Aquaculaba, Patia Paculaba, Catao, Nano, Piaro, right? Tamina Yafike, Yama, Lepia, Ugo, Yamaka, Baracountability series. That is where court carrying only. Aroyamokata to police station. You die for Ghana, you die for free. You die for Ghana. You die for Ghana. So that is that. So Egba 11 o'clock will be accountability series. All right. The big story for whole central trusting. This is the biggest story in the whole central constituency. And Dr. Doe commissions borehole and empowers artisans in Boye. Dr. Doe commissions borehole and empowers artisans in Boye. Boye was the center of communal transformation on Saturday, 22nd August 2026, as renowned medical doctor and philanthropist Dr. Robert Kofido, National Youth Commissioner of Forum, commissioned a fully mechanized borehole fitted with an overhead water storage tank at the community and officially launched the Dr. Doe Christmas Empowerment Initiative. So this is what happened on Saturday, the 22nd of August. So the joint intervention, which drew artisans and residents from across the whole municipality, including Atikwe, Shan, Akwen, Aprofu, Ziavi, and some of them represent a strategic plan of social infrastructure and economic empowerment, addressing about accused beneficiaries and people of Ewe. Dr. Doe said the day was not merely about commissioning infrastructure, but about restoring both dignity and service and opportunity. So, I'll quote him, this intervention reflects a simple philosophy that is dear to my heart: respond to immediate community needs while helping people build sustainable livelihoods. Dr. Doe stated. He explains that water remains a fundamental human necessity, and the borehole project was initiated after identifying a genuine need in Ewe and adjoining communities. And Dr. Doe recounted his personal connection to Ewe, tracing it to his formative years at EP Basic School, at Domain Primary School, and his political roots as a member of the Amos branch of the National Democratic Congress in Ewe. He credited a certain Mr. Amos as well, being his father figure, on and on and on. So this is actually a partnership, and Dr. Doe also appreciated the chiefs, especially probably Anikwe the third, who was chairman, and we also had people from Accra. The lady who's over there is a representative from a finance firm that sponsor this project called something. I think I should get it. One Africa. One Africa. Yes, One Africa Financial Services. Yes. So that's the partnership. All right, so that's what we are. Ni kwa mimi ati ya ni Dr. Robert Boye Kenya tukishi doctor Kenya Pedala at the school and never position on top of here. Out of right check up amaro to for my prayer go the popular who you appreciate it no ma will let it come don't know manamo no flat or no I will let you among the black 3,000 people will be served by that ball 3,000 level acueto which they have a free Dr. Robert Boye.
Umele jago ole kube free.
Yeah, yeah. They will
Ajiri.
At least to my brother doing free the jago.
Maintenance here waji.
Those when we get yellow. All right, and Amona addresses Babao. So all that was part of the intervention. Like
it's a new development. Yeah, if I'm going to very few creator. Okay. Ni da pene pave che bunya no economic deve akonta me ya o wa ni de na mi che be menye heveto de ku epo no asinu do wala ocho opogu meleneta ele fine pa.
So there are so many details to that which I thought which the tradesman empowerment segment therefore provided productive assets to selected artisans to enhance productivity and enterprise growth. So under set 1, 13 sewing machines were given with electric motors. Okay. Then set 2 comprised 9 standing hair dryers, 9 hair straighteners, 9 sets of different combo sizes, and 9 hygiene kits. Set 3 featured 3 modern tiling machines. Set 4 contained 4 barbering sterilizers, 4 barbering machines with cord, 4 cordless barbering machines, 4 sets of assorted home combs, then 4 scissors, 4 baba aprons, and cover clothes, plus 4 hygiene kits. Then set 5 included a pack of 12 electricity testers, fishing tape, a socket, diagnostic set, and a multiple long nose cutter and fly. Set 6 offered direct support with 2 beneficiaries to expand their workshops. So that's it. Doggy and Igwe was grateful. And one of the beneficiaries, Yesu from Apple, expressed so much appreciation to Dog and promised to put the things to the issue of use. All right, so nya baba ma ko le nya ma fi nya no se mi ayo mo ni mama ko.
Baba ina.
Ma wo baba no.
Okay.
All right, so that's what we are about there, and I think that's we appreciate that.
We are the same don't know we are our baba do.
Baba does have money.
I resign 6 months.
Married 6 months. Married very 6 months.
Kapiala get him. And then if you hear over master ko I will make a cooking ma ko wala. Baba adagbele.
Aba ku karu mo. And we are 130. And ya dia ma ko 130.
Ever.
And that you have to wait up.
Kaka avano bedura be chineja.
Da baba ma nessa do emi get akubona. Anyway, so who is happening to Dr. Boye? You see, the beautiful thing about Dr. Boye, Dr. Boye, a jack back over at your mama party. And you know, I don't know. No, we said that I got my picture. I put this with me. I love the back of photos from the back.
No, but
somehow, a jack back over Yano Papramuchi. Put us one Papramuchi, I can put Dr. Duma, like partnership to strike and play more, you know, so Yeah, what the government, my policies recommend not to send this year. A Dakar, when you were not just Yaman, Benia, lay.
Oh,
Yata no, Nasara was a group where I got understand. Dakar. And where I'm home, you call. That is all everything is about, including politics and business.
Namina won you ko yagbele. Sibe kene for vache me akan ku na me.
Yenya we got your whole central. Many government here many district assembly common fund. They did not use any money from government. This is not district assembly's common fund. This is not MP's common fund. These are connections of Dr. Doe. So a pretty young lady was there. The lady standing there, and she was
Africa.
All right, so these are the things we have here.
Africa Today. Ebola chief urges Gamanche citizens to reject imposter rulers, urge youth to harness collective will against hunger, calls on gas state investors to train and mentor local population. Ghana Maritime Authority gets to work following Mohammed's Kingston directive. Chamber CEO urges Apinto chiefs to choose engagement over uncertainty. Tension brews in Koforidua main lorry station as shop owners kick against erecting of network mast. Tension mounts on Achiman Nwabiaga South as party members praise concerns over jobs mining allegation. Reverend Wengam, re-elected general superintendent.
Wengam superintendent.
Sorry.
Church gate and a prophetic church.
Mekukwe.
8 time Zana superintendent. Like him, Zana senior prophet.
Prophet. Junior pastors.
Senior prophet. I mean, Reverend Wingam, Assemblies of God in Ghana, were superintendent, general superintendent. And over the weekend, over conference, presbytery, hello, Madam Oga check. So Reverend Wingam has been re-elected general superintendent of the Assemblies of God Ghana. Tension brews in Koforidua main lorry station. Koforidua station, Koforidua over Namyareji.
As shop owners kick against erecting of network masts.
Koforidua station, I'm not going to just at all. Go just dream to don't move about over achieve for Maramano or check up with Bamona Bullet. No, network in all one.
I got a move on a good one. I take on the
that a cow in an empty and cowardly electric cow.
We are always to smell Vanna Bennett and you know up over now. You were
empty and cowardly. Then she can do I will walk over there, so I never know.
Maybe. Ben Oma to pour the case to I know quickly distance, they never.
I don't know pull I'm layer on I am so we have no development or anyway, who put that over there at home and Brachas. Who put that over there, Ebola chief edges down Manchester. Ebola chief edges down Manchester. Citizens to reject imposter rulings. Ebola has got to feel Bashabo. Anyway, Ghana Maritime Authority gets to work. Chamber CEO urges Chamber CEO urges Apinto
chiefs on choose engagement over uncertainty.
Chamber CEO urges Apinto chiefs on choose engagement over uncertainty. All right, Freeman. All right, so I think these are the things we have over there. I'm interested in the MTN tension boost. Let me read that briefly. Over the Kuforido main lorry station shop owners and traders active against planned installation of network masts raises citizens' hazard concerns. The shop owners have persuaded the New Joburg South Municipal Assembly, Ghana Private Road Transport Union to stop planned construction of the potentially harmful masts at the main lorry station. The concerned group of shop owners said the mast could affect their health. They are unhappy with the assembly and the GPRTU behind the installation of the mast. So it was not even MTM mast over tension brews in Kuforido lorry station as shop owners kick against erecting network mast. Network mast. What do you MTN? Amos one is MTN.
No.
Tauber GPRTU alofu kuha bobo ble assemblyman or rancho to mabel what achiko already got for yawe and network na no mo. Dakar fia amoka ni shop owners over.
You better la messe.
That's blame
Yes, I can go.
There might be assembly at international money, or Nyaba near the
Do hena dova.
Now, the way mamma now, it doesn't door. Yes, that's what I come fish appear Tamanamia.
Mini gapo kini ono painting like bomb red and white stuff over to now.
Your GPR, your money, but I can't GPR to Fulone.
I never
what we now,
Bell over lorry station here. That station here, oh, if you want Biawe, 1 year to 1 Lord,
Ghana Private Road Transport Union.
Okay.
It don't ticket to home and double on a gravel ship, so I think that's no problem. That war assembly, the way shoot the woman. Yeah, I'm a question.
Ume global akaka you be fear severe tomorrow. You be they are concerned about over la messe.
Just a kaka mama kidi. Ya kwa nyama bia kwa jana jana nyama. Kama correct baranchi. But we are surprised to see the telecommunications network workers demarcating the lorry station to erect a mast required for constructing permits through the NJS Assembly. They appeal to the government to intervene in the situation to avoid health hazards.
La messe. Enyame mele kokoro. Hello, mi avande to le kareji ako re to ke mi ji ko network le bi akofo na mi disa. O be no tupo na mi la messe.
Oh, Kenya problem.
Mele kleke po tutu ade funa mi ve la messe ya go meni mele se so.
Enyama chiro no be nyama just kuin go viral smile. Anya. Ela goma. Ela ko le bu mai ka anya bedi. Network akede emi ko funa ko tudu e network are no Kenya network. Ghana no be network a. Peter mi amanya mi ko no na hello. Kan ke man na no do.
Ya mele to kuna mi oro.
Do nye to kuna ya ka mi oro. Anya. Do yo ta ba wo se da bo fi amu to bi ba ji na mo ko ina ga mo ga no se mo.
The network that.
Ayo. Yeah, I
see. Oh my God, Tina music.
All right, let's get something else. Let's go to something.
Me, the informer. Don't let religious tension destroy Ghana's peace. Mahama warns clergy. Clergy. Okay. Baumia unite MPP for 2028 victory. Minority House Gold Board CEO before Parliament. Okay. Minority House Gold Board CEO before Parliament over 1.7 billion losses controversy pushes for live broadcast. Apenyumakin fires back at Gold Board. Ghanaians ask for figures, not insults. Mahama saves Adamus resources, gives company amnesty to operate under new arrangements. Interior Minister gets tough, bans lovey police TikTok videos and on-duty social media content.
Alright, info on my phone. Gold Board losses. Gold Board's losses must capture 2 billion tax revenue. Policy Center. The policy center will go to which is 2 billion. 2 billion Bank of Ghana that politicians will account each other. You know, I don't get it. Accounting is a science. People are, accounting is a science. Let the accounting department of a debit and receiver.
Credit deliver.
It is always so. Overstatement of financial position. Allow balance sheet, the minor. Capital is equal to assets plus liabilities. And the more labor. Many Apenyumaki allow Sami Jefi ye nanaga or no la. Gold Board has made profits. 5.4 billion. But in Bank of Ghana's dealing on behalf of Gold Board, it has sustained $1.7 billion loss. And no one knows if you cover many losses, operational costs. Let me tell you, in accounting, that argument is nonsense. When expenses are more, you get losses. So expense becomes loss if there is no revenue. Listen. Next time, a guy can hold to a yashi, a benya hosibe. Gayokata, homing and a quarter darabutuma, and your sales. You will judge what woman. Get Gayokata Nazan. Unza Zakata, in your expenses are low costs. Take baby sales are recommended. Your loss is equal to your cost. Tagama electric button of Mafia is just much about to show man is just rubbish. A Bemba TV, Jinsha Jura Garurava, a Garukava, any revenue, allo sales. Baby, a Garakamufa, a Pia is Yamishia, Milo, for Hagani. The prayer, no Ohio, Milo, me for 2 again. Oh, the many line cost. Our cost is equal to our loss if there is no revenue. So no technical person takes such arguments. And Sami Jeff should stop this kind of thing. You go board in and will profit. Bank of Ghana, Illinois, up with them, IMF Bank of Ghana, put that Boye, that tower, shut up. What is so difficult about this? No, Yago lady.
Very true.
I watch it in a pool a car. 1,000 10 million koya shiba more bad watching. But my Jatu, Fongli Gaton, Bukaka, Baro, Zagao, watch a kata blend. Wove expenser, you know, loss. Tanobe Bank of Ghana, has incurred cost. Although there's an expenditure in Bank of Ghana's book of 1.7 billion. It is a loss. Technically, yes. I mean, your finance as a near government. Stop this rubbish. You are a lawyer. Shut up and stop disgracing yourself. Cover your revenue. Technically, your cost is your loss.
Without revenue.
Without revenue. Now, one step forward. Bawumia unites MPP for victory. Balabe Bawumia another car MPP. I will juga next 2 years.
Next 2 years.
That order, Jabagba, or a calendar. Jabagba, many press. Don't let religious tensions destroy Ghana's peace. Mahama wants clarity. Don't let religious tensions destroy Ghana's peace. Mahama Pumna, Sofo, Abongo Ghana, Jose, Nyalo, Jose, Gokutualo, Maso, Rekanava, Nava, Chipapa, Minority halls go board CEO before Parliament. Over $1.7 billion loss, controversy pushes for live broadcast. Okay, Nyaya, upon your marking, 5 motion. If you have a talk banner for any speaker, where any week you do any speaker where Todashi will learn Pragma for Ma Asia at your freedom. So, in English, the minority has filed a motion to I will bring forward Sami Jeffrey to Parliament to answer questions on the gold bond saga. And it should be live broadcast. Upon your marking, okay, and if you talk about the sort of have a moment of next speaker where no blue Sami Jeffrey. What does she mean? Avoa nyamana je tibi ji mesha no popon
no bia we ko ne
na no ji mesha no bion to mi ko be ye be yo wo fi nya jojo kakara
la ko ya video
bare na no ko na ni hara mi se na ko fi gara kana live so blogging badanya news blogging the minister has arrived then ma je zio blog na ma the program ji ma ko we ko na ko over Mahama Mona ko Mahama has arrived. We're posting. Story about Kagali Bukawa. Talk about there has arrived. Blogging. Oh, media. The new Yaglum. Da Mahama, some you mania, you more give a few back on Yajojo. Happy GTV, Navagra.
Metro Channel.
To be driving, over. This thing is necessary. Yeah.
The way one may very controversy so like I make a blonin of your belly, I make a blonin of your belly. I think they should sit. Okay, and they should sit one on one. Baby, Jim Figlo, you know, no, you're a parliament, Yava.
Well, Jim Figlo, you know, Blombe, for you, Mackie,
Elevo.
Akulambula enjabawe akukaro leto nyam da evon ne sam saladi no ne yo akonya maki obele be ye lawyer ni yiki be akwara akonya maki ne akonya maki na saba ye sabije akonya maki be biara ba akonya maki ye bombe ya ada go emi se ke fira ba akonya maki be defamation o e ko da ye saba ke dia ko mai ba ko story ya go Amaroka will come and be shame on NDC platforms are already here. We will shame on you.
Directly at the Sami Bulonia TV.
We don't care about that. Those are childish things. Say, Magoya, and I'm promising. You don't know, you know about the minister. I am I'm over. I will come back for it.
Enyala me de said then.
Kenya we had Hey, I'm going to worry small, what go well. That is childish. Let's put those things aside. It's childish. Me, Magro, no, Niabawonia, is so good. Because I think a pronoun one parliament, I put my own for me. Don't you submit if you had a clajamoni, after my Yapo. One mount, yeah, go. I went to parliament, but you. Ne, we said, submit your free, where the offer a cost financial loss to the state right. Miss Sammy, illumination, they bet you drop why. You get the evidence.
Evidence.
Tweet was part of over here. Won't you know untouchable? Make them we won't me at that prison.
And then you're gonna. No, you're gonna need at the prison.
Make them we won't at that prison. Baba won't you meet Baba one mama, but who won't dog? I will keep saying that for some people to change. I don't know police material.
Yeah.
Additional.
Yeah, make a man.
Who won't dog? Not that I go and require a police over. You buy cheap, buy a board, doing 100 when I make a home. That police will run on you. Police will go, Marco, look for a mechanic, but we know that you're young for the phone.
Oh,
I shall we young to ball I shall will let me ride you. Well, now for the Ubla or the other. And I miss a little boy who got you. You know, so a push on minute. Who would have thought bear would to me back? No, so not a lump of best and when more now, a black data for that, you cost financial losses. At the right time,
okay.
Parliament might go acquire.
No, it's Guava, got Dundo no,
which is so wrong. I make you look number. You see, Dr. Sanjay, and if you're a journalist, I have seen it. As I go, never foreign, when let me know the leg on her. We see Pratava. Ava Suqualo, many TV, ever find it. We come back on Ava. Olivo, Oula, Nava, McFable, you know, and one more program, argument on no let them do it. Who died was but Malaysia were part for one and two separate who got of Yara, but I know, and no one's wrong when I tell you. To have Nanya, you know for yourself, and you only have matters to one aroma. Okay. But bacon and prats here, but Bama. Prat, I don't think about Mamma, you are not serious. You are not serious. This decision is a very challenging decision. Prat, and Mamma will be. That kind of Camilla has an as a one now, who's central here? The journalist that monkeys play by size. The bigger the monkey, the longer the play. That our number Sami Jemfi is a fresh politician. Multiple political appointment by Harold Sami Jemfi. Go see you any minister of a cabinet minister. You are not a parliamentarian. He has never been a parliamentarian. Politics can number 5% yes, I need Diary introduction will go through and I put my because all foundation creation but super election time and message nano you say. I love a message no MPP election time over cathedral nanabe touch hogare kuma yo you got motion the one to go that's number one message number two over nana high
private jet.
Which you to we never shall have not number 2. And I may you tell them a propaganda, number 1. Who get to our or who get to Facebook a big one. Cathedral, or who get to the government. Na ever Moses da ever here bo ya ko means a foreign affairs. And was it ba o ku je do mai kabe na na chile mayame. Ye ke ba ye minister yi ka cha ma ule ka. He was creating a ground for it. This is political advertisement, preaching on political market. Extra matter for pochocho. So we do quick for opportunity. Okujeto used the foreign affairs, the lapses of Nana Adodamba to make himself a better foreign. Okujeto Chachamau, Njobo South Africa, Njobo Jamaica, Owana Shi Zelensky. Okujeto Maka, Mayaboba Kurumona.
Ekemi over me former president doing. They had to do Kozaya challenge.
So, yeah, Sami Jemfide, Vandapoel Doniale, but Sami Jemfide must show communication that is my boy. I'm almost a gomo, Elika Hova here, no, Abado. Ekememile sube Vandapoel on activity, Sami Jemfide by that time, but Kadiwa do SS, Kaka, you know, go small boys who JJ Pune prophecy man, best small boys on Kaka with sharp teeth, children with sharp teeth or something, they will emerge in NDC. NDC will have to throw around number MP. JJ the prophecy man, ho. As I go, Jojo, you just small boys who go around to go God, no, she's seeing what of the guy. JJ, it has come. You know what? That you know these things. Now may expect very. Appointment marking is called opposition leader. Allow minority leader in opposition. Okay, opposition leader may be Baumia, but minority leader in opposition. The NPP is the opposition party. Is the minority leader of opposition. That that can we can see you concentrate on your work.
You have no business with that.
Yaku Bamile, Yawan Yago, at the end of the day, and tell me my bluff ya over my song. I find you cat bully for my fear. Over my pure. Agbanora Fiabaku, Agba, the senior. Family of people senior, Yamana, when a deputy constitution chairman of the whole year. If you have ever the substantive, you can mass law for regional boss. Second account for mass law. You are regional manager at Bavana. You can get a presiding member. The whole central assembly. You can get a dean of presiding members. The voter is a cat. At Baby, I am municipal chief executive. Afi Steve Nadumba, Steve Ivan on your Bomirodi at Bavana and Jamirodi. But by use a media. Then you have communication support. No Madame Mahama, Toby Mahama, and you have communication support. No choice a media, no Pupaka Moka Pomani take a sharp away some media. No 100 communication, that's a media, not dashing communication. Makape yenye CEO, ne go board, aga national communication officer ne NDC. You nyazu, your only post, deputy communication officer, only have post. Kotoko, Basintale, digital robot post. Munyala de Magale, NDC make a sharp. You can quick Kodura go. Savita Filano Jajabu, no, that's it, don't you? Some if you come out better, look at you again. You are a position, my hand. I firm because it's the party
is the same position.
Or in some way, hello, Yagai, you go. That so, versus never, you understand? And We nya apoyo makinya ni ke Sami Jefi won. Bara mahama jafu mahama. Is my Sami. Bara yo na Ghana city. Wo yo na. Then when you 10,000 come here this is 100 billion. 100 billion. Oh, but about after the council, not about no, you don't have it. No. I just want to know that. You have no bad. There's that money 1.7 a day. I pay what you pay a low early. And I pay what you pay. IMF blow. You let us see. According to IMF, you it's creating foundation to it's creating a message.
Nejin finance 1.7 billion equivalent.
And some of the oh, imagine former CEO of Global. You cannot tell a man there, a grad only these ladies. Go on. Now, one and play. Senalo, Wakoloro, Yokuna, Bono Furano, and ya a job, major. Unya winning Abwaji, how they were the communicators. One of the finest communicators in the NPP is Abwaji Delego. Finest communicators. A foolish bamo. That's all I'm saying. When they say finest communicator, I mean the person who can talk. Never have like any yes, it's one of the finest communicators. Look at all the things he's going through. And political so what would happen if Sami Jefi were fight to communication? No, much about the moment you Ghanaian so always subject to talk. As in comment, so they have what to do.
A lot.
They have what to do. Everybody, next Ghana here Ashanti people what I know position but unless my Ashanti then you back away the toy man. Who said that? Everybody who see the traffic man.
If you don't know market
They enough Kumasi to UST get traffic. Na nyambe yele fika. We do yo. Is it to ya kuna mo? My brother ya kwa mwa kwa kia usuna. Asa kwa ni. Ya kwa ne regional minister kwa to usuna. Many size me yo. Garam se kuduma. Garam se kuduma. Oh, come on. So the NDC you have to work hard. And that's what we're doing. You have to work hard. You have to take communication seriously.
Very serious.
And after you make it, you know money. There's no more work over no go ha.
Oh, them yeah.
Boleke got the front page lah.
Fine boy.
Boleke got the front page all over that. Go got fun with her. What will that?
We got hit the carry.
Get your phone about one.
I got a front page.
Let's go to the next paper.
The new publisher.
Yeah.
Focus on 1.7 billion losses, not insults. Ewenyigba rejects extortion accusation as distraction. NDC MPs defies party leadership and betrayed our collective good. Sami Jefi.
NDC MPs defied party leadership and betrayed our collective good.
A trip down memory lane. Afoko submits nomination papers Tuesday.
Actually, I can't Afoko. You can go the national chairman. And I'm probably the chairman. Because Sami Jefi has got no level of Sami Jefi won't have the weekend. More at time at the morning down. I think I can go Sami Jefi the NDC MP or almost a party when we no longer go. However, what day you are she? Sami Jefi Boye, I don't know. Sami Jefi.
Never go on the
So know the things I'm talking about. Sami Jefi himself is getting distracted. Because never how can Sami Jefi say NDC MPs defied party leadership and betrayed our collective? How can Sami Jefi say NDC MPs betrayed their collective good? In what sense? So you know what I want you to do for me? Google NDC MPs defied party leadership. Okay. Sami Jefi. Then I put link site school. Okay. The big banner story the new publisher here. Apa yang macam nak? Apa Sami Jefi na donya ike benci, gai ke buah, dia banyak belum dulu. Ayah kau macam kamu buah lo gaza. But I think I've explained here that cost is loss.
Yes.
Unless you are not a good accountant, cost is loss. Because when the cost becomes too much, you will have losses. It's common sense. So don't force us to use nice words. We have a classroom here. And this politics, don't forget. Don't forget. All right. Ta apa yang kimba Sami Jefi banyak belum bayarnya extortion salary dua pulang malu hoga mesti pasal sana. Malam gaya bulu cici. Ta you nak positif juga hoga cici. Banyak mestinya lambulah. Anyway, apa?
Oh my God. Date kena mulai melisah.
All right, nya zorengo. Niapo the custodian. The custodian. Sagleme, MVP vindicated on private sector model upon Nkrumah. Sagleme. Alo Saglemi. Saglemi yongo la kono meni. Mayo Saglemi. MPPs vindicated on private sector model upon Nkrumah. Okay, du kokola bobe o hom alofa andraro mu gele Saglemi to ma ke upon Nkrumah be ha yin minister of works e bobado upon Nkrumah to minister of information e no ma ko bi na tin da na agbe ale bototoba oba no fun na agbe ale na ba mi du prekese nya du kontombre nyacho alcohol based sanitizer na koklo si yaro kuja eko ahon to be oblo
Akutesi.
All right, so date
21st, 4th March. So good.
Anyway, so over as your Pong Kuman chief from Ministry of Information, who actually done a housing. The Pongwa Takara Saglemi housing project in government, Mahama, Yamata, the fishing mobile dashing. That wish Mono to Gavinova, you would have a little Diet Mamma, no Moko to do the fishing mobile, no, what to open that for them. I'm talking now. Now, I'm talking now. And the Burma Massamo, a year, of Pokuma is other money. All right, that's politics for you. You see, the fact is that we are too cheap and we look for power and to limit. Now, I like to challenge Korum, I need to buy it. Paris, I don't remember politician, though I need Baulosi, which I drank on me, Pumani Bauman, a whole hotel solution. I never was here. Malakma, Kutamala, Sirima, El Labomo, and private businessman doing Amadelia. Even they do us and Nibloman, then the Luma Saloma, Amadelia, Ŋdi Wɔna, and she have one, and she toffee, and she asked Naka, a 2 home of lava high. Amadelia ice cream for more. Yak restaurant, Amadelia Bulu for more. Abaleke, Bulu, Mapamova, Canada, or Pitobia, cover Piava that hot oven. Yeah, you might bet on our Ta, I'm more in the man. 4 room and like you don't care about cap. Then you just room at Kalamoshi, Paul Doma, Chapadia, Shimeli more like Chapadia. She more cares about for Yaka, like Navaye, as Mount Tasmamoji. You understand? People are richer. Maybe America, making a Trump. Trump is not the richest man in the world.
No.
Can imagine I'm a damn good America.
What does he care about?
I don't care. Trump.
I have a business where no boom.
I'm about priority. I can fear me lady about go center here. When they nearly be attached to about the $90,000 about 100,000 about responsible, advert on. Come politician, they can now go on. You know, I'm not too. Now, I will grab a nano. I swear, that when I'm over number of me, stars and I'm a minister. I do a question for how we take it. Let's do a question for how
a national anthem. I know.
If you have a Dauma, Katamata, I know Subon. I have a district secretary to call. But autogram and chat over now. But let's go. They go people go no bad officer. This I don't know your more common. Really busy. The book secretary of and you have to walk. TikTok
busy
because all the Maga second draw, yes, was a laugh, Matthew by TikTok. When I am
let's watch this.
Cocanero, Dogo, Najomola, no camera plate of Coruja and Chicago child. Baby, shall say a book who was easy. Come on, let's get NBC, a young Monaco. A young Monaco. Yes, so one to not to. Kennedy Japan va planning by 1,500 acres there and a plan to do Meshara. It's on a tattoo area. Aniba Kotoku, or do you have a fertilizer to do? A fertilizer to do one. Come maybe, or belly breathing. The Donam, when your government you.
When your government you.
That eminence from Kaka assemblyman cry. Never in a room. Go out, Gabiami. You have a problem.
Honorable.
Honorable, Gabiam, ever Gamali has you potential.
This is yum.
Assemblyman are in Chipotle. If you are a medium motor for I had no payment. I had concord. I got Tonachime. I do not know. Go Jaha through. Sicily. I may have almost Sicily. I have when you gather. And a child or phone call them a go
rainbow to
man here on let's educate but many a dollar American of Nano don't make this negative to German, negative to German. Are you police? I have tea and of for my life.
I'm going to propose a call already. Who?
Let you do make her as she shall love it. When we get up a door, I'm not campaigning for a doctor. No, then woman, you're not double. Doctor, don't make a government go. Wow, company. If you're all machine man, government will promote apprenticeship program. Government, the Youth Employment Agency, Chica, remember Dublin, Chica Bear, the deputy regional organizer. I'm not campaigning for you, but to do yeah, regional director for Youth Employment Agency. Share Chica, won't you put to a everything? That dog and me have got that marble for 2 months, daddy. No one hurts your heart, but a couple. Has been paid. Look at that. As a man, Kaka, Jilu, where folk sponsor, I'm not sure that. Girl, all of women, pick up me, that was a bomb. Never no matter about Mafaka Nairo, Kaka, share your old officer, who can it one, who you babble, whatever you babble, Kaka, of course, Venia Ivo. Kaka, why you know, is it true? In Jogulu Bagblo, OFM, District Chief Executive, Assembly, MC, MMDA, Municipal, Metropolitan Municipal District Chief Executive, Odomator Quata Government, you got over. Marakamata Government, Kalama Italy, was now Assembly member, District Chief Executive, Kamilu Kamani. Uruba Gali, what a name of Urubu Garundo, what over Garundo, ever foot Nami, it will go Garundo, almost as in Yagoma, I'm your foot Nami Lemia, but on Nabo, on Nabo, David Bromber, and Garundo, was Urubu Garundo, Midudo. Hello. Leadership of
a daily statesman. The custodian. I'm making circular OPTG.
But no wow. Don't tell me. The Minister of Information. Anya le photo Mahamad teacher. Adarati. The moment Jim Dana.
And what is it? Throughout.
And you see, we don't have a media representation. Near a legendia, a lebisha fee, you know, who bomb their properties, so who you bomb. Many of us have a sweet call, like oh no, Daniel losses. I'm a local Padiania, Pensioner, a poor people, Maruga, last week, Toro, losses are paid, last 2 weeks, losses are paid. Losses.
Equatorial yet on Quevo.
Can that woman do one? Told me on you. You know what I mean? At Baraka
the custodian.
The custodian. Minority vows to probe 22 billion gold trading loss. Dismisses diversionary extortion claims. And Pipitoba Mimano Gabubua Gabubwe Martin Pebu. Whether loss or cost, whether by Gold Board or Bank of Ghana, there is a loss.
Kaviare dubu keviamela.
Megabio.
Oh, you know your lord. I got do like keviamela.
I'm a Hashimoto.
I got boo. Shoot.
And me have a bank of where I'm Meshika, Jamala.
Oh,
that figure myself gold, figure
that's a Michi good, you may.
Chief of staff, others call for clean environment. You don't get upon a Jew door of the general Jew from Yahoto or Jan. 56, 11 MPP national MPP door, filing 50 for 11 positions. Gordon quits MPP Communications Director race. Endorses Marcos Abadi. Gordon quits MPP. Gordon, okay. Sorry. Gagajembe ha yasu Communication Director. The NPP man. Any journalist. Yakabo Yashi Donchi. Name Marcos Abadi. Ebo Anyagban of Man. Anyagban be right now. first national chairman, Rokuja.
Chairman, yeah.
I agree to that. I don't have never have that. So that's it. Everything points to the fact that Miracle Sabaji will be the next.
Yes. Only if Mikambe endorses Miracle Sabaji.
Yeah. Can never you money. Maybe you like Yoko. All right, let's go for
no silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary a so fi de passer K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view. And you know the view canola basic level, and you know Americanola SHS, and you know Americanola University, Alola language, then you make a maneuver by few, and they are strong but Praha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know her. I must say, make an never the Mujura po, and they are strong but Baha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know, Mama. Nella Dilla was so mad than a player. I place order Amazon. Allo number can I follow screen Nigeria. Open me to the can also have a African la. Nyako no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua Coveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you Tom.
Products from Germany to Ghana. Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506. Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana?
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie le nyema. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go do it.
Oh, very ma. If I don't quit them, go to Boye. Tanya too much ready toy. When you want to kill.
Oh,
the number for fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, not to go.
that is not the Abraham Baraka in LA. I party to call for Boye. But the husband didn't know fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kuroma. Well, a party for Yahokatara Bay.
When not to go,
Vava, but I can go. It a big dad as a Cremonton top. Vola Patica, Wusiel, wait off here.
Maybe vola togo. You man no Chicago. Mokbong jaja.
Vola Chica no no pla. No zama. Fever nana kama furaga now. Mashama nothing.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nyatuma toro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mala akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwea gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli dagbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola nina nemi ayi vola basenta afima mi apota yo la nyadeba vola efi valo akulori le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi dewa eti makolo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu kame wa futo wo fukame fukame tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneva akodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika mun
Nane mano monsieur eye na menzwale de kona kwanya mola menye de me fioyo ayaye bomlo de kona kwanya moda menye de me chio ayaye womlo ayakwe womlo Ameda evi Nechena holon ode Ameda evi Nechena holon ode
What happened? No, looking at the reputation now.
Yo, akpene me pon pola BoyeEwenyigba TV. Bo miapa ajojo maku pakpa jenya ka honorable Richmond Kofi Photos. Ye la mbara blaga nyakpa ma NDC toraka magali ika ga momo. Kami dakpene honorable. Ka Photos wa da po vira kalmi abu. Anko eleke chomo bo.
Mada kukuna eleke femla. Eje na gbo no ndire. Ebele agbe provia ko ever so some we am never say me differently. That is very important. The NDC top rep ever as part of the communications team or central and also a branch communication officer. Never represent NDC. I represent NDC. I represent NDC. I represent NDC.
I represent the MPL.
Oh no, but I'm representing the NDC. The MPL, we talk about it and then there you go. Akemenebe LNP represent is the party. Party and I'm LFI. So I'm here to represent the party. Yes, Nabele Kebwe. I may continue no party different. I know party Penya new. Me no party Penya new block. And no ye to party or here Ghana to Ghana view ole video polema. And I was saying. And now was a party do the side there.
Ya mama ya kiola. I may introduce now. Egbai. Imo moko attach MP onye prophetic me. Because it never Elijah, maybe Elisha Mamago. Can't no problem. About prophetic introduction, I come now. I don't know who said Mawata do it and go. I'm the Provivas on Adela. Sakwe. What Bema do? Really dodgy. Dana Majiba Mona do and go. That came make a cat prophecy. And the Provivas on Adela. I mean, you I know. Even at the bar, yeah, what was okay pro here at the pro you that the Ramelio. Oh,
yes, anything.
Where am I from Malaga? All right, so me, the custodian, about me prominent. Minority vows to probe 22 billion gold trade loss. Diversionary feedback bonyata ko nyuma ki won mete ye proga ko ida court ko miss le feedback no me feedback me mra ina fia nyima miss ba pe ma ki bona sami je proga ko ida court nyamata sami je fia de ebere ye ti po be na sam salad ya ye ni kenya jojo mo la ganye senyala be ne ya perenchi samson nye apoyima ki polo ya na wa dogo la court na ya prove extortion is so ka formula ma fun ko ma po update na re ba o apoyima ki mba ya mo fura sami je fio ba momo ba ya ko to da yenya minority leader yo to woga da sami je blo bi ba toto so na mo fura ni ancho Kaka ulo mulo, yo mi akpege be parliament akpasese, yo de mi akom. Nung na be. Honorable, yen akbatole mi akom.
Yo, akpe mazamo nu popo ya madogbene mi ape MP. And then makadogbene Dr. Robert Doe. Be enu ganko one who have the weekend data. Provide a commission.
That should stop it, man. Because me gonna pay for my boy. Let's not. But me bring him away.
Okay. No come back. I just
the NDC.
Doctor
Do menelo. That you topic question.
Yo, akpaya kuma kurutunwa. Maka ejimaka. Nandeleji ile northern water. Misebe ole bagri dame. Within the week, and then that's very damn la me probably elenu gede have a course back gede ta no come advice nye fe come talk hele area mama benu ja gbanu di te fe ke hele pukoko eji bene he echi eva ma ba defunawo no ko wa be over the years bagri dam ke la o level esi ayi waba displace amopa bleme nuku wekli tofete ga ke email solution de ke find o ya ina ta he government de he be o you are the palugu dama intention enye be echima do ho cho Burkina Faso Bagri dam ela ava palugu dam eme why use for irrigation kaka at the end of the day okozaga cover the dugout ume wa doreko da lokomia edge be mi afa attorney general no investigate no manuere because they have okay this Bagri dam opening ele spillage ele cause ele near efima ele food enemy affect state resources where this morning not mo put up to kala no call law ne Bagri dam no dia
okay ma bi oro yin on le fi never ba ko nya jojo man bu ye ko Bagri dam ba le jire
o ni aka fu to kuma pick bubu ape
ama e na yin on da me o ke mi anko sama jibe no come as a serious host
wa po ni no be ke no kuma
no
ekede to be nyepe relation o le fi ma bi to be de nyepe relation o to le
no awo in your concluding remarks Name your host.
Merci.
As a host, Goma.
Merci, Goma.
Host, you are a guest. You are a matron. I have a say, you may be a power of money. No, you couldn't ask it on your people. No. Never, my job, Baba, host. You could never fear. Eko tole cho nya jojo we la akusika akwe komla dumo eko to monya vuma eko no go eko no ropio komla dumo eko ne bia tia mo no nya be ya nya mi jojo ikama wu ye na wo go ba public health public relations wo never will not move wedo never will ministry of information but le nya show eko machine people ko eko amu nya bogabo host ya
one beja agbanto enamo be ya address issues because never come to le small of this morning do yo be yo pack bele fetela akondem you might have it so it's now maba topic all
right statesman let's go to the next paper all right so let's go to the daily statesman Kojo upon Nkrumah settlement progress proves MPP government private sector model rights. Former Minister for Works and Housing, Kojo upon Nkrumah Goblombe, Aleke Owu Horo Yoka you can in fact this Mahamawan age settlement project government Medalagba.
Yeah, sure.
Afi upon Nkrumah.
Atamels
okay. That Atamels kple Mahama
yeah.
That government.
Yeah.
Via a Minister of Housing, Works and Housing, Kojo upon Nkrumah take over, Abe Jiru, Governor Jiru, Shejeba, private sector, Alo Pishimo, no the gam, Albo your town kaba, no one visit. Ka Kokura, I got Trovakia over a former 700 by 2027. Abe Otapli low, a high low, Alo rent and buy, you know, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Opo kuma be do aye war my macho settlement here la le ke yo be menye be je woni jibu for do ko me sha ba hotum be sha e ke ye wo jiru ga ba hotum e o to smith flat afia do ko kaka vora the village ro ka manye gbe me nke jiru be ga hotum ta no way no nya private public partnership PPA public private sector partnership da le ke jiru President that's the right model. Okay, that's fine. That's no problem. Coca calls for decent language on Ghana's airwaves. Beautiful. Ashanti Regional Chairman elect. Oh, in that over.
No.
So it's regional chairman elect, I should think.
Yeah.
For the MPP, Coca Boglombe, Fifiano Sompokoni, Mpofu. I think I love this man. AG Global, they must put discipline in the NPP in the Ashanti region to win election. That is that. Galamsey destroys over 100 acres of farmland. Wow, over 100 acres of farmland. Galamsey into my 100 acres. Personal attacks won't distract us. Minority insists on parliamentary probe into gold board losses. Upon marking a paper, Jiharu, and the paper of Tajeba, Yobo Bromberg, Jidu double bagba, the Shikapa Chichapa Yam, Uber, yo, Mukanya Bromjum, over to dog. Alo du koko nya grom yole du koko gba wale ke gana tromone du koko pole du kome bi nya grom uba yo to yo ro ki o jumla ba male fi ba radio ko sia ba gonya ko ubo fina ba man mo na tremo du ta nya mo kata grom a bende bi ko mo na mo do ayo ge. All right, Foko to file nomination for MPP chairmanship tomorrow. Echaka Bona Afoko Boye in the chairmanship MPP. Okay, so you have opportunity you can address one.
Yo, Akbe, Marco told me a minority leader. Now, I think the issue ya news emergency, and then you put the studio ya me discuss ya thoroughly. Loko abe enya ekalebafa kakenye ekihi mako futa kokole kwenye be this discussion alonu ke le ji le go board play minority aloko oba le go board call them ekwala ne pono pete a the IMF report e mako be na user me mention go board le tefe de kel le agbala me pe tefe be go board e wonu ya no ko be Bank of Ghana pe program yawa you probably loss alone because of their engagement in these activities kulitowe kake eko kabayi beba su personal na be like minority leader pe nyuma ki va konwa abe yakwe de fufie gake ne leke ho vale
yi personal gomere apenyu topic agogomba apenyu be ogbogomba ye ebe be sami je fiva glo le tvg be enye extortion enya parangula as a gome ye yomo le personal attack
yes make bofima
menye apenyu maki obe attack sami je fio apenyu maki penya penye loss agbado do e ko blog yale kaka sami je fi gbogbo ye gbadoge e la ba na plan aro
na momo la ko dire ke chele wa nenche me ga wo de ko de da no and look at that mele gbogbo sigede apenyu mark in the press statement the whole issue fetede no gold board leadership of gold board attacking be tanahe ebe nemenye leader he be attack o me ka ya gboro ebe ya na gbo condition o ma to meet o
enya bia me
so it means that is the leadership of gold board ya gboro lebe de ebe be condition de ma to meet o ta leader ya make nye leader ya nye sami je fi ya refer
ta no be agbadudu le ene ba agbadudu mele yo ba kumele bon drop yo do peji be agbadudu la jam
agbadudu la jamele fika ni ape auditor general report ko na mi de fika mi po agbadudu ole be go board la jamele fika la agbale paper jide ya mi le lu photo ta fi ke minority minority leader
nye pro mi wo ya ho mi ka o da ni majima gbogbo megba majima do fofotano for your future communication and nyabedi na wa so to enroll and worldcom enroll enroll and worldcom world hikama.com only big companies are all America I know financial statements are open a profit. I 5 years later, I can't remember your cocker for $1. And for published financial statements, they were making profits. Oh, let me finish. Tanenye auditing class la university. Oh, but no one audited. Me fiamba audited. It our ratios. Ratio fiaba wonenye sales, wonenye profit. Profit and all day, my banana never in back TV manager, ye McGonagall, Yamagaba, profit 10,000. And you know, Jamedy, I think I put 10,000. When in your guy, no of them is 500,000. So, no, let me land. That day, overemphasis on auditing is not good in this matter. So, the topic is let us probe the 1.7. So, let's talk.
There's something which is correct.
Correct.
It depends the institution ke he audit ne. For me, and your company, never depend your book, no look good. May get the services of an auditor. Audit they provide your editors, your books, everything. Is good, and I can use that. I call whatever.
Welcome and Aaron was making profit.
No auditors and auditing.
Yes.
So these are private firms. So you are audited to present very good. Okay, this is a government, a public institution.
So you trust government over government.
So you
auditing
don't trust
auditor general.
So you don't trust
the auditor general. Who is auditor general?
So you don't trust the auditor general.
Who is the auditor general? Nana do dampa kufado enya. Listen, I have a domalevo for them. Nana, I do damp papa. You told me I would double boko. What does that tell you? I'm shamming hold on. You no senya muro. Domalevo Kenya Vivi. Nana Bene Apam. I have been now for Dominiapa. You told Marika was soon on your government. Chow auditor. So this is the argument I'm making.
No, so I'm telling you, but a state institution like the auditing service and auditor general against open principles, like code of conduct ready. My ever present a good book ne be public no problem look le go board. At the end of the day, they no present. Problem no later on he never find out no hold na me dey. If you ba mo ka take auditor general look your serious ya.
Nyama glossenya.
So
Ben Nana hold come back here. Come on. Yes, Nana
yes,
Nana let them. Ebene apama. Elema. Okonya court. Court look at Nana Jago. No, look at down here. Yeah, question biala Kojibodi. Obonye, never did them.
Look at down here. And look at down over age. No, never work. It's not related to
no, hold on. If you me a court today, Oboglomba make jabo win in the mouth. Now the question you should ask yourself is, as an honest politician, look at that politician, which is seen by a court as lawless. You told me a boko, what the but you was the best of 50 Magasam Mapa Donako.
Ya Blona Melebedi. Ya Blona Melebedi. I may even I make an audit a go board account already. It was I may acquire the name was I think Johnson Ekwama said yeah I could for the appointee. The whole Jody, Yami Graham, Pamela Graham, Yami lady ever take over just recently.
Make Graham auditor.
Yeah, brother, many Graham, the mayor audit go board. I make an audit today. MPP
make appoint Dr. Graham.
It's NDC.
NDC.
So are we saying that? No. So are we saying that? Auditor general, government are manipulating.
Okay, so
government institution are manipulating.
So let's look at this. Look at this. On your dome level. If you're on your dome level, Nana Chueva, it over honor. Auditor. Auditor ma ye denku sami jen people do na me. Asenya government right. Mahama Havadashi auditor machi. Pacho ye Graham. Nya government it's a consistent argument.
It's consistent that
na Mahama Havade Nana Boye ko cover let domele vote pas. Mahama Havadida Dawako Dr. Graham.
No, so ya glomele be.
Nana famia ye Nana Yeke would donate Bank of Ghana. Senyamiro, yes, Nana famia Yeke would donate Bank of Ghana. Ye Bogrombe, a Gade Bede Bank of Ghana Pack Balame, a Gamma Ekan Gold Board.
No, even Nana family, Minabe IMF report a Yamizan.
IMF no audit IMF.
IMF so audit na my account.
No, what we do there? Audited account here or Obogbon be
na se me na apenu pola cholo go polu se me nyebedi. Ima no platform ya agbelobedi. Government they interfere with auditor general open door na dey make it every day edibeni the government dey appoint itara what on wonu la jame be no look no that what MLF here dem go no MLF is very from enyaya gbolola any impossible better okay I make a point to itara if you have some allegiance your no, so that is what I want to
okay, let's put the government aside. I'm never discussing government. Welcome, for example, bitu nyare nyaji e mo don Cal banka enye mother company fifia oyana be subsidiary UT bank no yobe UT holdings abi subsidiary auditors over not going to loss yakele subsidiary many subsidiary per down no in a parent nanama ke ote going to loss kenya parent many parent at all no go in a subsidiary nka bomele Ewenyigba TV lolo if you mi ba wo Ewenyigba radio if ya mi don ajo kemi ba Ewenyigba TV ya mako profit o ka radio ya profit over kana ngama buwa baba no radio for gaya many radio for loss in you ever share me down TVG any radio for some no hooking it a radio course ya in kemlo tamiko gayacho radio pack balame nyako ide parent pack balame. In this case, Bank of Ghana is parent. When it comes to the GDP document, a Bank of Ghana is parent. Ta especially that when me move a guy, nyako ide go board. What is your problem?
No, you see where you are going now with this argument. No, I can take another different look at it.
It's not different.
No, that is it. Because the approach the auditor generally since Independence Day, the economy of finances will audit for government institutions property. And America on any occasion they are alleged so whatever the auditor general presents we are taking that the actual figures. So building from that day.
No, hold on. Your problem is that you don't want hefty interrogation. That's your problem.
No,
you don't want tough interrogation. Hold on. But nobody, the audit school, every auditor, that's a chartered accountant. Anybody, the exception or the problem to auditing is that auditing, when you work global, did you follow accounting procedure? That is all. The auditor is not interested in your trade. But when you go and say, auditor mafia bagadi, look over a gami didade, director signer, a gami zande, mingno invoicer, a gami zande, mingno bedak manager, nemina webokwa, nega subokwa, aloma subokwa, many auditor per doema. It is the owners of that organization. Taneka bubade yimbedi, auditor tagabo, go apart palamako. Ka American owners. America Gadona, remember Laobamalu, America Gadona, the owners of the economy, those who are giving us huge money when we went bankrupt, as you always say, are saying that a better economy here.
You see, everything at the middle argument, that is what I'm saying, baby. So you
okay,
no, so the conversation, baby. IMF per audit of Bank of Ghana. This is what you know. Auditor General audit Gold Board. So these are two separate different institutions.
And so what?
And so
we don't talk about the boss.
Gold Board pick la. And so
who is speaking Gold Board? We are picking
Gold and Auditor General. Auditor General. Auditor General report pick this. The Gold Board was lost. The Gold Board was
we are going back. Hold on. We are going back to daily statements. Okay, paper topic can't discuss it. I don't want us to be making it. Personal attacks won't distract us.
So let's go to the top.
Hold on. Minority insists on parliamentary probe into Gold Board losses.
So okay, so let's go back to me after issue. Now over Gold Board losses. Because let me pick the Auditor General report today. No matter like what buchon alobe LDG alo whatever. Can me pick report today? Yamele loss on the Auditor General report. Now let me be Gold Board losses ready. That is never by the IMF ever document.
Gold trading gold exchange losses.
Bank of Ghana. Today even open discussion day. Mention no Gold Board one. Let's Bank of Ghana day. Ya one Bank of Ghana. Kwa one attack.
Bank of Ghana. Mejana shika.
Bank of Ghana. No.
The acts of the central bank. They don't sell gold.
No, before Bank of Ghana me sell na gold. Bank of Ghana ya finance some of the activities we.
Ne mekao.
Ne Gold Board.
Ya baduraba. Ya baduraba. Le Bank of Ghana.
No, baduraba fika. Ne so ya baduraba le Bank of Ghana. Hello. No, le Bank of Ghana. So Bank of Ghana never respond to Like Joy, after Agbaduba. So that is it. Now go back banner. Go back banner. Lost Melanie.
Oh, be a poor IMF reporter, actually. Yes,
make a lima.
Like
Ghana lost like as a result of Bank of Ghana a program. They go for oil and go for reserve programs.
Make it go for oil and go for reserve program. Make double
go for oil. We have PMMC.
Go for reserve. Go for reserve.
Go for reserve. That's if we have gold board.
Gold board. That ne. I'm a more glombe a Gaia a subo. I say of and Bank of Ghana, a by a doom the gold water, and Yayaqua, when you can let them go the gold motor, the Yema gold water.
You see, a property, yeah, not a day, a penny day. You see, yes, of a businessman here with so many years as student or whatsoever. Gakane, Fifiake, egg bay after a penny mark in Yabedi. Bank of Ghana and the loss will they go for oil, go for reserve car. No, the double standard, you're not that day. Sami Jemfibe look me support it. Because
hold on.
Yes,
flow.
Yes.
Flow well. After you makina, Egbafio Nyabe, Bank of Ghana, lost
will they go for oil, go for reserve.
Fiabe Bank of Ghana lost one kuku. 2024 how lost. 2023 lost. Hey, get Ken of Kanye minister. Lost. Hey, lost. I let me away.
Bank of Ghana, he was lost. Bank of Ghana, he was lost. Yeah, we may attack go PMMC. Bank of Ghana, he lost what they. He may attack PMMC. The PMMC, the Minabe formally, people about to go, but formally PMMC. You a precious minerals buying company. You go for reserve. Any Bank of Ghana, hey, is part of activity when you were lost. On radio, the new Bank of Ghana lost war. Because of these activities, it may be a PMMC attack, but the man now PMMC top of the gun bill terms okay, not fulfill. Bank of Ghana, any approach. So this time around, under this administration, why don't you also attack Bank of Ghana? Why are you attacking Gold Board? You are not about definitely Sami Jefi check no. You are going personal because maybe they are pick and look at a job. Maybe they are compare the IMF play auditor general the loss that they should be attacking. Sami Jefi blebedi. If it is the loss, they should be attacking Gold Board. Many you. Gakede ever to personal look at you attacking on every press conference. If there's loss in whose books? Auditor General report today, loss no. IMF report, look at Bank of Ghana over loss yes. So who do you attack? Will you come and attack me?
Who cares about the Bank of
Ghana won't attack
you. Who even cares?
No, but
hold on. Who cares about that? Whether BOG or Gold Board, there is a huge loss. We will talk about it.
No problem. At the end of the day, we will talk about it. You see, yes. Over there, aside there, aside there, lost day. At the end of the day, what is the benefit? Now, the most economists told about what is the benefit? This loss, on operational cost loss, operational activities, ready. Look at governance economy. The benefits outweigh the cost.
How can you measure the benefits outweigh?
That is why my now example here. Gold Board fair activities were now the own nami first stop smuggling and the other you are stop smuggling day and the open exchange rate to call $1 is 12 cedis to $1 ta opoya be you are gale fimita na all the gold they supply those Indians were in smugglers way that Bank of Ghana hele offering day is 11 cedis to $1. Now, you are Bamede. You make sure that you block smuggling, man. Country cost so much day. You are up, you pay game video. Now, go body. You are up open rate 11.5. And then you play. Then you stop smuggling. So, and no you. But then you cover Bank of Ghana. The Bank of Ghana, and now you open rate, which is 11 cedis to $1. So, already 0.5 mala, which is a loss. Now, through that, we stop smuggling. I will be reduced. You are not Ghana. The biggest producers of gold, me actually rank 6. It's because they Jameto black market to petela government of Ghana for them. Now, aside Benny block, they stabilize me PCD. Stabilize the economy, but the businesses where they all planning well, and their businesses so plan well, they at least I told her, why expand and no expand, why produce more, I employ more, recruit a lot of people. Now, these businesses, because of the stability in the economy, we take a loan, interest rate on loans, like I reduce. Because of that, you may have benefit of the sector. At times, you go to bank when you have a loan, under some administrations, even though they go for reserve, what those days are. Interest rate on loans was 40%, at times 50% per annum. Because of the activities of gold board and the government, let me stabilize the economy. Some banks are giving 10% interest on per annum on loans now, and that is helping the economy to grow. Aside that, we have the Ghana yala, we need donaga, and that's some administration. Well, no call every minute be ane yodoga because commission can for that commission portal every second be ega odoga kaka chome. Now ega do doa, but we told them next year after what job after me after finance minister le next year me after debt service la awu keto veketo itebai. Now the smart thing here government me make sure they stabilize the city. The exchange rate may reduce because the exchange rate reduce today. Now maybe a hello name. We're at the rate of 10 cedis now. 10 cedis now whole. Instead of Benadasilo, na rate and then you bad 15, and then you do 15. Maybe a pay loan. You be paying on the use that exchange rate. So you see the difference. You're not a million every smart economy is selling no for 2 days. No calculation, debt service, no compare with the day. No, even the 1.7 billion whole compare with catch it. Make a gakenia save through activity. That debt. Hey, Bank of Galo, hey, IMF Bobele sitting on Bank of Ghana books because of the activities of Bobo. Oh, I think even looking at previous payments, I think when you pay computation, we are saving about almost 1.2 billion. Based on the debt service in HEG this year, $1 billion.
You are saving $1.2
billion. Any in terms of calculation.
When you lost 1.7 billion.
No, so even this one is better. Next year, next year, no, no. That's a matter next year.
Almost 15 minutes. You save 1.2. That 1.7 means
no, so aside the 1.7
no,
aside the 1.2 billion this save day, go board activities and other interest rates. Tell me after loans where they cheaper. I can go to the bank, no matter what interest rates, no matter loan, they work on 50% now. Now it's 10% because of the activities of the Bank of Ghana and gold board. Now another I'm only traveling, tourism, boosting, which is my sector, because people want to now. At least the exchange rate is better now. The number of the ticket, then the price is quite compared to under the NPP. Under the NPP, compare your ticket because at the point the exchange rate was 16%. Then you are now what happened. So Ghana is benefiting a lot from this program. There is not a minority and other camel also. So on every possible means, Zambia, now you go to activity, now you go for open door na majeju. Now Samije feel like already. Now since the idea come of personal because and you pay gold board bad manema loss value. Now pay Bank of Ghana pay look at loss le. Ejebe na make sure be na a portion every day loss elela na wenwe. Kemina ke ameke mi to na egle na no do. Kemina yo che you ba le gold board be no a. Yo abale. Akọ me wo si do. Ya yi e ba le am fe nkojo la me fe nkojo. People go be ni specialist. Now, all our legend, like you call a be a start a guy, split off it here, open video evidence, split on it. They are not at all with there. But Jabban about someone, about suing, me provide the evidence because all have evidence only one present. They are not a whole like the matter for mucho, Emma defamation, matter for mucho. The message body, net blebe, I lay innocent. You know, I call. They are coming to do for two because over watertight evidently. Then you caught in the
caught in your fear.
Then you never see
you have watertight evidence to prove that. No, hold on. extortion it's a criminal activity. So if you have evidence that somebody is an extortionist, take the person to the right process. Don't sit over there and be rubbing extortion in the face of the person to shut up. You understand what I mean? Who cares about that? Go to court. Hold on. Criminal activity is republic versus a person.
Yes.
You understand? So I may have evidence like you marking extortionist.
Personal decision here. But okay, evidence que la signe be a film. Whether be my court alone, my court wa. I
am putting it to you as a future big man in politics. That is forget that thing.
No, if you know don't you in assume. Then I tell you the fika film le.
Le problem me. Ma over abia only do be wa ku konkitikiti la sem. Yo ye me power yo nwama kokro gere ku kokro joba. Loso le kona rome. Kaka wa yo bumbe wo ku konkitikiti do. E mbare go mako. E ko be ya prove beri. E ke menye journalist no me bati bivama mano gabiame. Who cares about that? You understand? Hey, no gabia no young bug man. I don't reporting at that time. So we don't do
extortion to help brother. Ebe no omena iga nuke o ejebe no yo cut corners so that you parliament
report that is what you promised Ghanaians. That is what you promised the aura.
This particular one, yeah,
my friend.
Every year when no G
0246.
Every year when no G
please. A minority leader is backed by law to give hefty opposition, hefty criticism to put government onto. A minority work is a patriotic work. After you making your backbone, the parliament, Miato, Ghana, you homeless South Africa. You go, and this is all about your Josephine. Bema is a video, fake video. Me Ghana to long to South Africa. Opposition can listen to me. Opposition can be patriotic. It can be a patriotic activity. Ne do ma pa do mo de mi nya nya ga garden le bana de me le fiado enye le fia nyama nyago mercy whether in gold board or Bank of Ghana carry the corner. All right, 0242 670 770.
At the end of the
next paper.
After you ever you are dogo le parliament.
Yeah, you
feature be na you dogo le parliament.
Me o dogo
ko re. Ni aka senya me ni. Ni akpo be go board the loss e lo pa gbele ma lo. Bank of Ghana.
Mareke me ga gbonyamo. Mareke me le fia anye kutu ma pa o. Mareke me go loss le go board pa gbana. Me se financial statement me nwie. Mareke me gbo le ngba ti we loss le.
Kemi de onya de che jo pe o le go board condemn the CRM over target ko go board. The target is go board. Even no pay motion the whole fact go board melemo. Bank of Ghana. So why on regular me go board ya yo isi ayi?
Mabedi.
Because onya the go board activity to la economy help. You have a government la economy wise la me do well.
Compensation for road construction. Abuja warns surveyors. Mahama receives AU chairmanship. Mahama receives five reports ahead of 2027 tenure. Afenyomakin threatens legal action against extortionist allegation. TCDA boss Ashanti Minister confer.
All right, so me have call out 0242670773 your number can attach your accord there ajerura me. Apoy makin fanya ele chia jifia and nya akpai pom le kra o kuba politicians so mo pom. You don't allow minority to trend all over newspaper. No, any strong let's go. Anytime minority is trending, it feeds into votes. Because those who vote are not necessarily discerning. Maregomi. Eyi kemidashi ameyoko mole shijio. Ola pami. Ye upon vote jemle yapalon jia. Eva jena la koda da pe mecho woman. Ela ba me o dana kwa. Minye balonya. Ye akata blonye le fia. Emo blonye to ka we unfu ba gere fika. Ube smuggling yo smuggling ton paper men limia da tibia dia e ko smuggling ton oba wala keke na ye don't have one pon nyamade it doesn't fit what fits into vote is the sentiments of the people. You understand? Me say that I'm just doing my work as a journalist and I'm helping the NDC. Let by this rotation, but this time I'm going to
No, but at the end of the day, what is the benefit of go board activities? That is why smuggling people play the. Okay.
And that's what I said.
But the thing
I never do a quack or David.
The good thing
people vote based on the temperature of the nation, and the newspapers they drive that temperature.
But the good
trust me, the good host you know, and they're doing all these things.
You see, but the good thing the economy is more.
Please, paper screen. Inquisitor.
Now, the equality more fascinating. If we are differentiator, but okay, under some government, like okay, it was 1,000, under this very government, it's 400. Yeah, not a new for the work because only the government is working.
It's true. It's true. Ghana, to nyaba mama to apoyo makino mono mahama kwishia chino betebe RNDC alomema. Okay, next paper no.
Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic.
Let's win sanitation fight together. Chief of Staff Edge Collective Action. Reverend Wengam, re-elected Assemblies of God General Superintendent. 6 universities secure national semi-final berths. That's all.
All right. If you are saying Inquisitor, Daily Graphic, Sofia. Inquisitor go go Jackam Kumana Maro Sovearo, American Bajijala, Luka, Simula, Apoy Makin, Calafia. Easy, member verification. Apoy Makin, Magbonyamala. So Apoy Makin did not threaten legal action. So we rejoined that even on Boye, even though it's on our headline, he did not say that. As he didn't say that. All right, let's win sanitation fight together. Chief of Staff. Weekend, our Chief of Staff no CD Auditorium, the University of Ghana. CD Auditorium, the Economic Department, University of Ghana. I'll go film to sanitation chief. Daily Graphic attack when 6 universities secure national semi-final berths. Lenka. Nke atawagma. Co-host. Co-host.
Tertiary Business Sense Challenge.
Okay. You make one and back by Daily Graphic more. Over Reverend Wingam, Ogache, Sofoga Reverend Dr. Steve Wingam, Assembly de deux top superintendent. Uchachema.
Danuko.
Spiritual father.
Back congratulating. Berekue. The superintendent. Congratulating. I think the elections are near the Kaya. I made no contest here. Made very victorious and you have to new product. Yes, new product wall letter. I'm never done now.
Produce Mahama.
Produce Mahama. Even the welfare of the church, the pastors, residents, and the host of them. Oh no, fine at least.
Church,
every Assemblies of God look like in partnership with First Sky Group. Yes, First Sky actually AG member. First Sky, yes. So
church had a canopy, American Assemblies of God, Maya. Bagaro, Elemoji. Young Coco,
so
do go
very soon. The attack Bonu Kivide. You get that when you pay pastor whole central here. Akun yache Reverend Gobson Boja. Yache a contest as a secretary, general secretary.
National General Secretary.
Yes,
yache from Kuare, AG Life Water.
How Reverend Eric Anku.
Yes, Roku.
General Secretary. Yeah, Reverend Anku, pastor Dave, Kingdom Life Worship Center.
Aluze.
No, gake Boja, yes, Eldusia. Gake, I think, not very competitive. I know it's one of the pastors who gake, election not very competitive. I think that position about 6 people that contested. So at the end of the day, America climate winner.
Encourage example.
Oh, there's a name doctor something.
Hey, look at that doctor. You back for yes who have Balanyala back for yes for have.
My wish I may have then I make it all loose. Yeah, one help. I make sure that you build church together. I think
Steve Wingham yala le minyaba de suku politician onya. Only do the mama need do any commission chairman ga fika.
Chairman thing immigration.
Board chairman yata magagaru. Alabo ya na ugarashi don chikra to mama ne for na egano for 2 komble Ghana o gagun kaka ko kwa yo me. Da ya we ne roki. Te Wingham
and the board said the government na he wu kwa. That Obama dissolve it. The government say na joko. No,
we done the government. I just no go.
Oh, gake bebe take be. Meanwhile,
be aleke me ga hogo ha. Am okay chicha ko fa no
no, but after the government o dissolve board dey. No ka
benefits man on anyu.
No, gake me look one of continuously for lifetime. No, I don't.
I would donate you.
No, it's for the term. No appointment for the term.
Mahama.
And the government no dissolve because
Mahama Grado was even.
No, for president, I know. They only look there for him.
Let on your blah. I will apologize. Let's go and check.
Yeah.
But that organize you go. About not more. I don't want to worry. At your channel, I'm doing them.
No, but thank you. Here, no, number of years there. You'll be in a board for 2 years. And he board them in a board. The government, another government, Vala. You know, actually, the board constitutes. No one who end of service. End of service. Oh no, so they do well for at least
for the kingdom.
For the kingdom as well as catering for the needy, the orphanage and all that. Which
vote Yahweh Melody, New Testament. Politician in the church, yeah. New dark hole, le blame. Vote for me. I want to chop general say. So for you, vote for me. Never bad vigila. Melenusi wak benami. Meleke mi wak benami. Meleke che wak benami. Mi da kona masu general secretary. Ameki chebe. Enye lezeji. Never to bara Muhammad Tabu.
But even in the Bible, Hewa do Saul efia. The prophet is the prophet Elijah.
Prophet Samuel.
Honorable. Prophet Samuel Bedi. Nene ameke ya iselete. Ta efeme leadership selection eje gometo tepe.
Chua mo gboro.
Eje gometo Bible neke.
I'm election. Leader, ikeyo nwe kin solade. Amowewa dako. Alo.
Ya do me bedi. O je gometo ni amogede o present o femi ke wa. That of church salome.
Miga iphone. Agba ime ma mo bibla kan gbe sagba. Padi so mo bibla kan bo. Wa don pero fio. Ayo kola so wo ge fia. Samuel Bacholand. Oku amishishirema. Okodure.
Yeah.
Ke do gba ya ko fanko. Ta amoyo kata yo kenye amoyo onye appearance over 2 olajo teto. Tana mai ke Yehowa chachia gere la diwata. Maobashi lena profeta washi yo vuvuni. Kana vuvun kwa e kwa miano vuvun no kokona ma. Ta menye ya mimile ta abu olive oil akora baji. Abu olive oil akora oje me azaima kaka originally o mabunye ya mamu. The originally mabunye vuvuna kama bashi. E bia the fake vaida na na to Tai ko so o David actress ma e no vio kaka just e vio kaka bai yo ba de kare le gbem le gboro bai trebi yo nya gara mi ata ko ma wo to pa shi ko fune e ko kaka na ra ma we chama Kakafifia myomi by election. Manifesto.
After the church over the disciples were those days were here Jesus who we for people crucifixion people and leaders no group of men
exceptional no enye Matthias chacha no people that over we overcast lot overcast lot na fear phone kawe na danova o lost that cat ge elabe cowrie ji plan ba daneba na cowrie phone do regia kefia ba we dano cast o through my back you are not the one that she the cat but that was not
mean election enu ke meje ba communicate
no mawi chia
ma communicate nyebe selection play process ma de enya ameke ya lead ameke ma lead o contention ma de eje go mecho gbedeke
amen mi matano politics de mo ala ba maronye Kristo to kwaku tane mi nyo gba ma be nyaare le bido nya to ba e ma ba ji ba ale ma gbele fia ba ma uta ku na shana ma amara ba ji be na ma ko
no dala pa ko na mi nya because quotation e do
kaka no kaka ni le mo bo nya we na ma nya te to ma nya nya loji alona because ma we amecha eza go na di ta even casting of the lot to graba le ke o kanafa o kona boki e bia ba na va e be awo nke mo la be won ka jimi ne gblia do ka bokia e je mo bokia na fondo re e bia ba ma bua bu nyame e da shireji akado bokia tro mo gbe ko na beto
kemi e bia ba ta ya mi ato no na to le zan fiere the traditional
so takala gonje jama there was no difference between traditional and Christian. Yes, we are 2000 years over. So let's be very fair on that. Yes, we are 2000 years over. You obey ye nya te pakla gbe me sha na plero. Ni magbo kaka before oh me sha no na wo. Me then yesu ma go je plero fi no ge mi ala. Wale magbo me.
So before Christ la means hallelujah practices help when make sure they
yeah audio no mbaba ko kwa edi idol worship ekwedale mbaba ko di idol worship edi Islam ala na yire Mecca e pare ko la ma cho fo ibo ko gbani iko na ba de tabu ala akbar ke pokla Muhammad ko yo enga yo do na bo ko kasara kaka na ye tropo ma pare ko la mana de tabu
but no if you go na Israel che the wailing war
paper no temple but do ko Solomon tua amulu kaka akpare chiani glia chiani daba chona bedudura amro kaja ko tere glia to man
but some of me ya then aka even do me afite ni le but you go and you ask some Israelites or tourists, I think this tourist is fiction.
Yes, because Israel can be blama. You know, but ancient Israel.
Yeah.
Ancient Israel. Yeah. Israel lived
so that temple, hey, bro, maybe
no, it's just crazy. Bagman, by the chain. Because temple
but you know, history also makes us understand better. No, I'm coming. You could not chip in. History to make us understand better. Every case Israel told us if you many no, it's through war alone and you have a lot of current
ancient Israel. And you people are Israel. And you're going to say me, let's go this way. Now you there fort now you there Kepos Castle. No, Kepos Castle. Now you Kepos Castle. Allo Elmina Castle, in a polo to Castle. Canu blow, no, never sleep, o doit o chocho futa du come o chove bakodo gomaru pa ni na Solomon ko gbedo ho de asego cause by you ko there is shop that I have to cast Maria I think 1000 years after Angola
yeah inform and no matter me import a petrol Israel for the national.
No. That's it. Hold on. This is going to interest people. Nyaya brome le choko hiliacho maya. Hama nyaya dere kwe. Hama no si hama reja baga.
Enu garden container me o dedo fine. Therefore picture drop it.
Can I do what she back ma? So ko dedo. E bo Yesu mo mo. Can you go me Yesu over 2000 years ago? You be no na all the fufu.
Yeah.
Subo le share ke dongo na Yesu a. E po no na o de so de. Nyaya ko kuma bring.
Yeah, sure.
Ta miata no mbabla ko zama. Ama ngola na no drop ma macho di ya nya ka gbo mu le nya pe nya ma gbo.
Sure. Oh yeah, for the Old Testament, yes. Most of these practices were all the Old Testament.
Yeah, but I think it's a good conversation and me on a master on my blog. As I go on Israel Egba 70 AD Roman Empire Wagman Temple we okata kakare hikakatame you know the lost tribe. That 1948 15th May the United Nations got a State of Israel people metalo no form am shame ka porokube nye Israel to a netro yide afika yo kono fia ikenye West Bank ma ikenye Palestinian Authority because you have for 100 years Palestinians were there before they came.
Now Israel are pushing.
So Israel ma be ka kele Bible ma to ya go ba se de to ya go yo pani ba da yo hoga by force. America halama banu aka Palestinians won of for 100 years.
Yes, so that's the issue.
You understand what I mean? That of you
I think the last
Christo told me you nya phone ya ba check me to you na friend to Christo to do dio me. Now me Israel ma le Bible ma o Egypt they are labor Egypt they are Muslims from the airport Allah Akbar most of Egypt akale Bible so the Bible is thousands of years old Ethiopia over Musevenga flood Wamashame avao John you understand Jobi that Bible boy amama o mo kalifi dara maroki blembe is support Israel you don't know.
Oh yes, sure.
Yes. The new Israel is just some bunch of hooligans. They are not Bible Israel. Alonya
oh yes, sure.
Prophetic church then.
Yes, sure. Because I'm going to Israel and like in
yeah,
is some way. But
okay, no, let me get to some comments before you go. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Great job, Brother Tony. Mary from Adentado message, Honorable. Just 2 minutes. Let's see some of the comments. Let's check the temperature. Mary, great job, Brother Tony. Eshana your brother. Man, your brother. Okay.
Look how you.
You
are. Okay.
Supporter.
But I know brother is not bad.
But you know your Tony.
Okay.
Tony.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. I'm here to good morning. Tony McBoy, SC Nam here from Aplau. Apenyo is right. If Goldberg is making losses, we need to ask questions. Personal attacks won't solve anything. Ta Egba SC Nabade Apenyo Maki Yegba over Enyako Yamoli Jumenia. Message Kacho Kokobo Eben Dinami. This man is just doing his job as minority. Why are they attacking him? Let him do his oversight job. All right, thank you for that message. Message Kacho. I'm not getting your name. About morning host, we love your program. This Tony McBoy, you are doing well. Apenyo is just trying to cover his own issues. Goldberg is working. Okay. All right. Message Kacho Sogakope. John Bocho Sogakope. In Dinami, John here from Sogakope. If there are losses, Ghanaians deserve to know. No amount of insults will hide the truth. Okay. John all right, so good morning, Pat from Akachi. We are watching live. The personal attack on Apenyo is not necessary. Discuss the figures. I think that's a good one. Yeah, let's discuss the figures. Nobody go parliament. I'm thinking parliament is not the place they should go. Because
so you're not a submission of Bobby. Even if in a public account committee.
Good.
I know you're the boy. Yeah, me one minority MP of Bobby. How? Man, your public account committee in Yakila, Ekpene Apa, never how. a committee member from the minerals nuke. A lot of committee members whatever. And never cover 9 days. So people can sit in allowance of it. Okay, me have lunch break there. I can do no fine. Leave our public account committee lay. What we look into the books. Never we have invite any other nuke fine. Kakaki ala look at COSAP committee. We look at form. Then we is then. That can be like that. No, I'm going to do Ghana Gaku.
All right, me the last one. Nana Jola Boyincho, who have ever talked when you had a quickly BoyeMonday.com. Just make a comment on that.
Dr. Robert Do commissions borehole and empowers artisans in Whole Heaven. Recognized borehole commission and tradesmen equipped as empowerment initiative launches on 22nd August 2020.
Dr. Double LNB, that's the biggest thing he has done so far. In partnership with finance company, I told again over $1 $1,000,000. And over to poppy mechanized ball. Therefore, to I'm a MP, I'm a regional minister. Now you must go none of color when I'm a regional minister, so I may be wrong. So I don't get it. What is wrong? What is wrong? You may if you are regional minister, when you have a program or commission above whom that talk an implement, no female, and Yama, Mother Shimagba, Yenya, Domaga. In your connecting company, One Africa. You got to make a matter. I'm a Batakarama, Yenya Dr. Duala, non via Dashima by lawyer, Yachuki, Stephanie, Memco. So I'm your woman like Bafma. I'm like, wow. I'm only a kind of coffee water.
You, good morning, Dr. Robert Do. Because Ŋdi Wɔna and Dr. Robert Do, I mean, parliamentary elections, so me work.
Campaign, non vi antonto be you majibe you are no attached.
No nyameki upumebi onye. A contest. Me have previous parliamentary elections. Meton to medujo. And me le show bela ekalejibe. And aside that, elle dongede wole constituency dongede jiole. Me afite me nyabe chiara. Me afite me no go basic necessity. Obe ma ton noin without a chill. Maybe what I survive with allo noin for a longer period without food. Gake chiade. Ima tell you. And next time me jagba he buwe. E nabe o ni anawe chila. Etabe ani e jagbanto. These are communities where amo and la play and the better le go the come and split already. Tamina let for me, it's a good one. And then do more of search la ava and then for lelea me show be the whole bazo the whole central aka onu gede. So far, looking at Enyaya Ohemele chunk report feedback all baba. And the show maybe never can open ya contest ya no winner. The show no get the IG whole central. And the show no voucher. And you pay more church who call it across. Maybe I don't know because me calling for so long. I came the show no get them a new word do.
Oh, my bridge on a
bridge man, bridge and Yakova, bridge my walk. It take about 1 year after mom boom, grandma to talk up over. We take a mobile weekend can make a year. A domain Kakaka about MPs lecture promise me, Major Jew. If I can expecting the honorable Kotoso our dollar, I get looking at what is happening now. No doubt. We just hope and pray. Then you have he's
a lawmaker.
But no,
teach the people the right.
No, yes, me never day. MPs were they. Me no Nova to school for Namu. no facilitate. You actually play a role in the facilitation. And so that is what we are asking for. No facilitate, but a donor. At the end of the day, Kake facilitate, because we've seen MPs, other MPs facilitating.
But Gaba will campaign do le fiolo. Ne
campaign
because Namanya Steven Adombe you want. You see,
never check.
I don't know. Oh, yes, a boob. I like a one journal. After 2-3 months, Uber global. I don't know your dog. I get back by bridge.
No, but there's a moji at a weekend. This weekend, Kramer and emojis over. Don't me at Nova Moji. No more. At least now and now, investigative side of journalism. I know you never check 1 hour update. Can you tell our Nyado? Olewa, and Omelewa. A guy change a government. It's made top for 1 hour.
It's Mac Belamoma who
yeah, check bridge on the bridge or before Bono bridge could continue more at least a more melody like the corner. Big push project or melody.
Your mama Melebico.
No, I said maybe the big push project or legit. I don't matter on a chile, and not a human more. That is exactly what I'm saying. A more legit. No money. That road, it used to be a busy road from Ho to Peve, I'm in a market where a Peve split away. And a host of activities where people can online. They search about Akrofu area, many Afenikia. They know that Akrofu is known for producing okra in the whole municipality. And every market they perfect on it to more magia. Okra more okay. But now never to more magi perfect si henye branda bene do fumawa. I'm open no le moto okra pack direct from 11 AM to me le power account back on because a more bad. Oh, thank you. What about the market? I see yes. Oh, yes. No, let me go. Cancel out the market around 12 AM, 12 PM, 1 PM. All about that. Make a large run. Meanwhile, this road used to be a very busy road.
No,
under my NDC government, me like calling me. And more I know because a more man I know that state and that Kufo, yeah, mama. Yes, and I could and I could and since then, the more that state me like calling for
Takufowe, you back by Mahama 1
Amos,
Kakale Nana, Kaka fine, Nana Tame Ekubasu Bola.
There's nothing happening. Let Chava promise during one of Sadu festival. Over promise, but okay, I have fixed it within. During the election, they said don't get about the back promise, bro. Then this win now, you are fixing. And so we are calling on them. We are actually effort to go do the middle and facilitation for lobbying. Lobby, and then we get it done. As always,
just a quick one. I've marked the message. Just a quick one. I hope Maupuma Lekala a true Dumame. Yeah, MP Machu Dumamolo. As a Yagoname. I hope you're not talking like that because
no, it's a general consent.
Where MPs
no, it's a general consent. No, it's a general consent. For me, no MP here where it's a good one. Yeah, wherever I deserve recognition, we give it out. There's no two ways about that. And then for me, my concern is okay. Let's get it fixed. That is it. That is all we are calling for.
All right, we will read some messages and we'll be done with the show in a jiffy. May I have a paper go for my be Maclone. The Capema, Chronicler.
Our chronicle coming
Chronicle Meliba. Oh, okay, Joe. Chronicle. All right, so me, messages so no paper was Magalo. Okay, Melafma.
The Ghanaian Times.
Okay, quickly.
Nation attracts 2.62 billion US dollars FDI in 2025. Minister orders 2.62 billion.
Over guy can you foreign direct investment? A guy can choose better to come. You can find your boy
2.62 billion.
62 billion. Yeah, 1.7 billion on your loss left here. No. Next one.
Minister orders police to crash illegal security groups.
Muntaka Marialo. Muntaka Minister of Interior. Over Mukatanye bodyguards or macho boys Mokata who no look at our two reviere.
Minority seeks full reconciliation of IMF.
Next one.
GMET warns of finding crisis over GCAA arrears. Then
GMET Jiru double kekona ya mafaka kabenka. Ubenka.
Warns of finding crisis over GCAA arrears.
GC Ghana Uber Jiru Gabafiareta. All right. So we will read comments quickly. Honorable, just 2 minutes. You know I can read fast. You know that.
2 minutes. Let's go.
Okay, so let's start with the comments. Comment Bantocho Delago. Good morning, Tony McBoy Dela from Fuduma. I saw the videos. The artisans were so happy with the machines. Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, that was my train. Fuduma. Over that. But do want to me Fuduma area more. Good morning, host. Maudi from my friend Dr. Do is a good example. Other big men should learn from him. Now we are catching my problem. I'm a download Aleka. Dr. MPO. Morning, MFR from Takla watching live. That borehole will solve water problem for a long time. God bless him. Over to serve 3,000 people. Okay. Yeah, sure. In Dinami, Mabel from Buti Avenue says we won't be deterred, but we need proper audit of government. Finito. In Dinami, Mabel from Buti. Good morning, Senyo from Trinu. Okay, when you are Trinu.
Yeah.
Trinu. Okay, Samuel Chochitrinu, good morning. No, Tony McBoy, you ask good questions. That guest is talking too much without facts. Anyway, it's normal. It's part of All right, just conclude and let's go.
So I think in all, for transparency, go about Boye ready. Allow some meeting Boye ready. Me meet the committee. Then whatever issues or concerns while you are addressing. Remember, say ask them comment. Then okay, allow at the end of the day, it's like go about activities. So why is it be a country mark about no loss nya ogbla. Any priority at the end of the day. Go about activities wa elemi afa economy a healthy emegbele dongo the me afa exchange rate split or play elusi over split or go board is doing so well, and then especially me afa interest loan for businesses where into me GCB me ba wonu ke obo o yo wait me ma do o yo interest e nda me ba o GCB over 14% per annum
ke jumia mai
ta me ba okay ma wonu ke because I was because at a point, it was around 30. Even for the bar, it was 30, 35. No matter the question, 14. It's a good one. Can go for activities during my own help, the economy help here. So for me, it's a good one. In everything, transparency. In everything, the transparency is very important.
Actor is not forcing.
Oh, both Gold Board, Bank of Ghana, and the Finance Minister. So transparency sake, go board Boye ready. Me and meet go the Ghana Topete go Senegal. Kakemele picking there by close of today la new minority leader argument based on a meeting currently ongoing there by Omiafa Femeta. Nile Ojo the new minority leader never. Ameke out tag the whole name ke hobe Niko Yota. Ni afosibe ape me do doctor obedo me do ni afe whole central MP. Where the Georgia ni afe NDC branch as get to Sofete. Very soon, we are open for filing. I'm more pick and a good one to Uniform Gacha, the communication, whole central communication officer. So if you are Sefaji Agama, the dog bene. And they show there are no challenge. I'm recommending compatible.
I will out to
I'm recommending compatible.
Kita pernah elikem cuma Boye aku petok. Ewa sunya follow tadi. Ini berbuat presiden aku. Kita pernah bermikir apa? Kita pernah presiden. Aku sih waktu Romana. Boleh Amerika no daughter de Christian ada bu. Ketoni magbu ye pulang. Lebatoma. Apa na honorable Adam coffee photo soon. Yeah. In your MP, I've been a rest teacher store. Bola have a clinic, news and every dictionary, leave a jet or Catapania Timmy or with that one Catalonia Semiaco, Toto Camioca, Chabapa, Gigama, Domia, Lodo, Joshua, Mary, with Jim, Adenta, Apano. All right, you get coming and you kata bye, bye, bye.
Oh. No silence ever English dictionary. Ya paper. But see dictionary akara so afi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can the basic level. And you know American SHS. And you know American university. Allo the language you nenya make my never with you. I be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I must say make a never with you rapo. And be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nala dile was so mad than a player. Place order le Amazon. Allo number can I follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can WhatsApp. I feel African la. Ya call no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua conveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506. Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana?
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to Boye. I can't do my trading toy. Boye's killer.
Oh,
never for fun. Never got to my tomb. I'm not go.
that is not the Abraham fever. I can't lay a party to call for Boye. But the husband didn't know fear. Coco in a dinner for Ewenyigba, Yapon or Passy Banny who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party for Yahokatara.
When not go,
Vavai, but I can lose to go. Interviga that as a Cremonton top. Vola Patica, Busiolo, wait off here.
Why you vola togo? You man no Chicago, Mokong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanyeza vola chika. Miadoma toro ha. Wose vola tika fufu jijila ama.
This Bola Piki. Bola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mele akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamni da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola nina ne miayi vola basenta afima mi apota yo la nyadeba vola e fiva lo aplori le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti maklo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo aplau Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa ofuto wofuka me tutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodo come on
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo
Nane mano monsieur eye na menzwale de kona kwanya mola menye de me fion yo ayaye bomlo de kona kwanya moda menye de me chio ayaye womlo ayakwe womlo ameda evi metena holon ode ameda